Hello everyone and welcome to this section. In this section, we're not gonna apply any strategy or any technique. I'm just gonna show you how can we locate a truck manually. How humans first detect or look for a truck first, okay? And then the objective of this exercise is very simple. We're just gonna draw kind of a rectangle or a boundary around the truck that we can actually locate manually, okay? And they're gonna show you moving forward how can we use other techniques to actually draw the exact same rectangle on our image. All right, let's get started. First of all, we're gonna load all our libraries here. We have done that several times. And then we're gonna do cv2.imageRead just to read my image. Here I have an image, it's called find truck color, okay? And then what we're gonna do, we're just gonna simply show the image. All right, so here, that's my image. And here my objective is to actually draw kind of a rectangle here around my truck in a very simple form. Again, in a very manual, very basic form. This is kind of, kind of a warm-up exercise before we actually dig into the real deal or real stuff, okay? All right. Then we're gonna get the dimensions of the image. You're gonna get the width and height of the image. And then we're gonna show the image. That's my image. Again, you will see the colors are a little bit messed up. Why? Because again, here I'm used plot.imageShow, and I loaded the image using cv2.imageRead, which we have done before. Use OpenCV, and OpenCV actually reverse RGB or use RGB instead of BGR. We have done that before several times. Don't worry about the color differences. And then what we're gonna do here is gonna draw a rectangle around the truck. Okay. So what I'm going to do is that I need to specify 2 points within a rectangle. Okay. So we're gonna simply specify the top left point, which is pretty much somewhere in here, let's say. And then I'm gonna define the bottom right corner, which is somewhere in here per se. Once I define these two kind of points or coordinates, then I can use the command cv2.rectangle. I'm gonna provide the image, original image, and these 2 points, and here I'm gonna define the color of the actual rectangle I'm gonna be drawing, and the thickness as well of the line I'm gonna be showing. That's just to draw a rectangle in a very manual way. So what I did simply is just gonna went there and draw, okay, let's assume that I wanted to get this point in the x-axis is around 620, for example, x. I'm gonna go down, again, this point is the origin, so that's my x, which is around 600, and then I'm gonna go down to, let's say, 150, which is this point, for example. And that will be my top left point first. Second point is I'm gonna identify the bottom right point, which is somewhere in here, for instance. Let's put the mouse in here and identify, okay, it looks like, around 800 or 810 in the x-axis and around 350 in the y-axis here. Okay, that's my bottom right point. And then I'm gonna use cv2.rectangle to actually draw the rectangle. Okay, and then I'm gonna show my image, and that's pretty much what I can see here. That's pretty much how can I locate kind of a truck manually. Again, it's a very simple exercise. I'm just showing it to you because we're gonna take the exact same code. I'm gonna add a couple of lines to perform what we call it template matching moving forward, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed that section and see you in the next section.